Difference between butter and margarine. Butter and margarine are both spreads used in cooking, baking, and as toppings, but they differ in ingredients, taste, and nutritional value. Butter is a natural dairy product made by churning cream or milk. It contains saturated fats and has a rich, creamy flavor. Butter is often used in baking for its flavor and texture and is a common choice for spreading on bread. Since it comes from animal sources, butter also contains cholesterol and is higher in saturated fat. Margarine, on the other hand, is a processed spread made from vegetable oils. It was created as a substitute for butter and often contains added vitamins and flavorings. Margarine can be lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, making it a popular option for those looking to reduce animal fats in their diet. However, some types of margarine may contain trans fats, which are considered unhealthy. In summary, butter is a dairy product with a natural taste and higher saturated fat, while margarine is a plant-based alternative that may be healthier but more processed. The choice depends on dietary needs and personal preference. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video. See you next time.